Alright, here we go. Look at this pitiful hose bib, alright? This thing was leaking in 3 places. We're gonna knock this guy out and then put in a new one, okay? I get the approval from the homeowner. I'm busting this thing out. I'm twisting it. It doesn't want to come out, so I busted it up some more. Finally able to get it out. This one had a little bit of a fatter male adapter on the end of it. First off, I put in too short of a hose bib. I'm always used to it being a 4-inch, just wanted it being a 6-inch. So I went back to the truck, grabbed the new one, wrapped it up, got it in there. And one thing that we do, company policy wise, we put this thumb gum in there. Which, hey, it works. The homeowner was going to patch it himself once I was done. So I was like, all right, there you go. It's ready for you. All you gotta do is just take that off, and boom, we are all done.